So this is the end result. When you're putting this back together, there's a little flange here that this plastic part needs to go and slip into. And then there are screws here on the top. There's one missing on the bottom, but the one on the bottom and on the top are in place. Then this is your ice chute. You need to install this before you install this, because otherwise you're not going to know where this is going to snap into when you snap it in, because it's got these little ear tabs here that you move and it comes out. So you want to make sure that you add silicone to the hole that you made and silicone on the connections you made. This one we're going to put behind the thermostat sensor bulb there. So we have no worries about moisture running into the connection. It's always good to have the wire nuts facing up, because if you have any buildup here, if you have any buildup of moisture here, it's going to run down. It's not going to go into the connection. It's always recommended to leave them up like this when you have moisture possibilities. So anyway, so this is the end of this job. I want to put everything back together, and just to show you here, this is what happened. And of course you're never going to know unless you actually own the Mullion heater from the outside here, and then you will know that it's open. As you can see, this one came with 2 heaters, but the one that actually works is the one that's connected to the white and the black. And the new one actually only came with 1 heater, and it's the black and the white. And this is the part number for that ice chute Mullion heater, to prevent moisture from building onto that little door and not allowing the actual ice to come through. Again, this is a Sub-Zero 590. Hope this video helps you.